Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in again. So today it's come back round to that time of the month again where I'm doing my Birchbox unboxing. So if you want to know what was in June's Birchbox, stay tuned. So when my Birchbox came, I was really intrigued because it was a different size and it was a different shape, and I was like, oh, what's going on here? And it turns out that this is the Birchbox for this month. How pretty is that? So cute. So yeah, and it's an actual tin this time. I am a bit disappointed that it's not the drawer, but good quality tin. Let's get into it and see what we've got. Just gonna get the leaflet out first. Excuse me if I look a mess, by the way, because I've literally just come back from work, so you know, end of the day face going on right here. So it's Birchbox's 5th birthday. So as always, we have got the leaflet here, which just explains everything inside the box, and it gives you the recommended retail price. So obviously I'll go through this as I'm pulling all the stuff out of the box. So first package is one that I knew we were going to be getting. This is the full-size product that we were able to choose for this month's box. So this is a Ella Eden eyeshadow. Yeah, so I got mine in the colour Faith, which is just this really nice, like brownie, kind of glittery sort of colour. It is a shimmer, definitely. Let's give it a swatch. Oh my god. That just felt amazing to put on. It's really weird actually. It feels like a cream almost, but it's not. It is a powder, but so pigmented. That's amazing. I'm super impressed by the quality of that. So in the blurb this says Ella Eden compact eyeshadow in the colours Faith or Julia, so I had Faith. So mineral eyeshadows don't have to be time consuming. This pressed version combines intense colour payoff with longer lasting wear. Apply with a wet brush if you want to make a bolder statement. So yeah. I don't even think you're going to need a wet brush for that. I really don't. That is just amazing quality, and yeah, I think I'm going to wear that a lot. So the RRP price for this eyeshadow is £12.99, and like I said, this is a full-size product. I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited. So the next thing I have is the Benefit Professional Pearl Primer. So that's it there. So I've been wanting to try this primer for a long time. So I normally have the original Benefit Professional, but this one, I really like the sound of this one. So this one is a Soft Radiance Face Primer to minimise the look of pores. It does give like a glow to your skin, apparently. So yeah, is that the size of the sample? What's the point in that? What is the point in that? I'm probably going to get, what, 2 applications, 3 at a push with that. So, starting to think that this Birchbox isn't worth it. So anyway, it says in the blurb about this, the Benefit Professional Pearl Primer. This fresh formula features the same oil-free texture as the original Professional, with an added dose of pink pigment for brightness. Just smooth it all over your face and layer up to add radiance. So, like I said, it's supposed to give you that glow. The RRP price for this is £27.50. So, as far as I'm aware, that's more expensive than the original Professional. Don't know why it would be more. And this has a 4+ star review on the Birchbox shop on birchbox.co.uk, so that's nice to know. Yeah, I can't wait to give that a try, but I am upset with the size of the sample. It could have been better than that. So the next product that I've got is number 4 High Performance Hair Care Jeu de Ottoman. I think that's how you say it, but it's a smoothing balm. So that's it there. You can see it. It smooths frizzy, unruly hair for a soft, touchable, polished look. Good stuff. Quite like getting hair products, to be honest with you. I'm always up for trying new hair products. Not that you can tell today though, because my hair looks like crap now. This is what a hard day at work does. This says in the blurb, whatever your hair type, this hard-working formula minimises frizz, restores softness and protects against humidity and heat damage. Work a small amount through damp hair and then style as normal. So the RRP price for this is £24.50. Obviously this is just a sample size. This is 30 mils, so that is not a bad sample size. That's quite good actually, and it's also got a 4+ star review on birchbox.co.uk, so winner chicken dinner. So the next product that I've got is a Polar Velvety Sun Fluid for face and body. So that's what this looks like. So it's a factor 30, which is nice. Always good to keep your skin protected in the hot sun. So the blurb about this says, Polar Velvety Sun Fluid for face and body. The best kind of sunscreen is one that doesn't leave white residue behind. I totally agree. Fortunately, this one sinks in quickly to protect your skin from UV rays. Just be sure to top it up throughout the day. I don't like ones I have to top up throughout the day. I really like the Ryman's P20. That is amazing. You put it on once, you're good to go for the whole bloody day, and it is water resistant, so I highly recommend that lotion to anybody who can't be asked to keep applying it through the day. But back to this one. So yeah, like I said, this is a factor 30, protects against UVA and UVB rays, which is brilliant. This is obviously just a sample size at 20 mils, but it'd be great to just shove in my handbag. And the RRP price for this is £25. That's expensive. So the next item that I've got is a Glam Glow product. I like Glam Glow, and not bad at all. And this is a super cleanse. So clearing cream to foam cleanser. Awesome. That's it there. The blurb about this says, packed with a blend of 3 charcoals, this cream to foam cleanser detoxifies skin, removes excess oils and absorbs impurities. Massage it generously into dry skin, adding warm water to create a lather. And the RRP price for this is £24. I'm not entirely sure what the actual size is of the full product, but this one is 15 grams, so not a bad little sample size, I suppose. Not bad. And then the last product that we've got in this month's box is an extra goodie, apparently, and it is a selection of tea bags from Whittard. How awesome is that? This is 3 individually wrapped tea bags. So one is Earl Grey, the other one is mango and bergamot, and then the other one is lemon and ginger. Nice. And I love the packaging. The packaging is just so cute, just like the box. It's really, really sweet. I love it. So the blurb about these says, discover 3 delicious blends, Earl Grey, mango and bergamot and lemon and ginger for your ultimate brew for this quintessentially British brand. After all, a tea party isn't complete without a good cuppa. So I guess that's what they're implying, is that for their 5th birthday party, they're going to be having a little tea party, so they're just sending out some tea bags. There's no RRP price for this because obviously it is just an extra little goodie that they've thrown in. So there we are then, guys. That was everything that I got in my June 2018 Birchbox. A bit hit and miss, I would say. I do like all the products that came in the box this month. It's going to be hard picking one to go into the giveaway for the end of the year. By the way, if you want to be entered into that, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel. But yeah, I was just disappointed with the size of some of the samples. That seems to be a running thing for me, is that I'm just not happy with the sample sizes. I've seen other beauty boxes, you know, subscription boxes where the samples are much bigger and you pay the same price as a Birchbox. So who knows, maybe next year I'll give another one a try. But that is it, all done. Thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. That would really help out my channel, and I'd love to have you as a subscriber. And as always, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.